Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what's happening with Pepe, where the prices could be going in the immediate short term. A lot of things to cover, and I want to share something very interesting with you guys. So if you are a Pepe holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, there's still about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 144. Down about 10% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 6% in Bitcoin and ETH comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $600 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $218 million. But of course, let's shift our focus towards the price now, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, we're going to look at the community. The community is growing day by day. We're almost at 300,000 followers for Pepe in just a matter of a month. At this rate that the community is growing, I would not be surprised if we're sitting at 1 million followers before the end of June or early July. So things are looking really great in terms of the community growth. And you can also see this when we look at the Ether scan. You guys can see this for yourself. Despite the fact that there is still a little bit of a downside, a little bit of a consolidation still happening, fake outs happening left and right, uncertainty is quite high. Despite that fact, we're still seeing the holder count increasing, which is a mega bullish thing to see. So majority of the holders are coming in, they're seeing that this could be the next big thing, and they are holding and are having patience. So that means that is a good thing. They're not leaving, and they believe in the overall Pepe's vision. So a huge thumbs up on that. But now you guys know what time it is. It is time to check the price, see what is happening, and where we potentially could be headed in the immediate short term. So before we get into it, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I cannot stress this enough. If we're looking at its market cap, you can see it's holding at that $600.7 million market cap. And I've shared this with you guys in my past updates as well. The strength the $600 million market cap really has is huge. And now you might be saying, oh, Pepe did see a little bit of a retracement within its price. What is going on? Which it definitely did. Pepe went all the way down to this 1.337 cents mark. And if you manage to pick up some Pepe around that range, you are already up about 7%. Reason as to why we even seen quite a significant retracement within its price is, number one, it's a meme coin. And, meme coins do tend to go down more, especially when Bitcoin retraces. But going back to the main point, Bitcoin has also seen a retracement within its price. You guys can see this for yourself. Bitcoin has seen it go back down to $26,000, and of course that is impacting the price of Pepe right now. Of course, we're going to come and say, Pepe is a meme coin, it has so much hype. Why is it being impacted by this? Because it's in a consolidation phase. No matter what happens, if the king, which is a Bitcoin, the king of the markets, goes down, everything is going to be impacted, and that's what we're seeing happen right now. But what's quite impressive is the strength the $600 million market has. It's huge, and we're starting to see the strength really show up, and you can see this for yourself. We did go below the $600 million market cap and quickly reclaim that quite fast, and that shows how important this level of support really is for Pepe. But as I say that, is there still a chance for us to retest the May 12th prices? Is there a chance for that? I wouldn't write that off right now, especially if we lose this support, because this support at that $600 million market cap is really, really, really important. I cannot emphasize how important this level of support really is, and we've been supported by here for quite some time over the past 2 weeks now. And if we were to lose this support, there is a strong likelihood that we could be going to the next level of support, which is at that 1.247 cents mark, which is a 13% drop from the current price. And if that does not hold, we could be retesting the May 12th lows, which is a 30% dip, which puts Pepe at a $400 million market cap. And would that be over at that point? Absolutely not. I think Pepe has made a statement for itself. It has made a statement for itself. It's being listed on all these major exchanges, and even from the previous bull cycle, I don't think anyone can name anything besides Shiba Inu that was listed on this many massive exchanges and had this much exposure. And we're starting to see this with Pepe, and now not only would retail want this coin to pump, these exchanges that are listing it will help these coins to pump. Right now, yes, we're seeing a little bit of retracement within its price, but my vision on Pepe for the next couple months and a year, even after the Bitcoin halving, is insane. I really do strongly believe that this has what it takes to be the next Shiba Inu. But with that all said, of course, that's just my own personal opinion, but I look at everything. I'm looking at literally everything, the amount of exposure, the amount of hype, the amount of interest in here, which exchanges are listing it, and everything checks the box as to what we were seeing early on in the Shiba Inu's beginning. Especially the people that have been here since then can really relate as to what I'm saying. But at the same time, of course, we can make these speculations all day long. We can sit here literally all day long talking about that, but of course only time is eventually going to tell. But what Pepe is doing for itself right now is exactly what holders really want this coin to be doing. Of course, the price is seeing a little bit of a consolidation, as I've said to you guys before, but the community is growing, which is a huge point, and the holder amount is growing at a tremendous rate, and that is exactly what you as holders want to be seeing happen. So of course now we need to keep the price of Bitcoin into consideration very closely. We do need to see the price of Bitcoin go into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. I'd be excited for that, but even if Bitcoin drops to 25k mark, I've said this before, I'm okay with that, because Bitcoin is still the best asset class after Pepe. But I'm talking, besides Pepe, Bitcoin has made a statement worldwide. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin. Of course, people never took Bitcoin seriously beforehand. A lot of hate, that it's not a store of value. It's not considered an asset class. And especially after, things started going insane, interest rates started rising, inflation went crazy, banks started failing. Bitcoin was made for times like this, and it performed beautifully, since this year started. So, Bitcoin is the king, making statements around the globe, and even if it were to go down to 25k mark, I'm totally okay with that. I think it deserves to have a little bit of a breather. But with that said, that will impact Pepe, so we do need to keep that factor in mind. If we do see BTC drop down to 25k mark, that's a 5% move only, so of course that is going to impact Pepe, but that is something we do need to consider right now as well. But if Bitcoin starts making a move towards the upside, I would love to see us start heading back down to back up, to this May 20th price. That is where I would generally like to see the price of Pepe really at, and then of course above this level of resistance, and that's where the fireworks really begin. But of course only time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Pepe going, and continue supporting me, continue liking these videos, and I will continue bringing these updates for you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.